Here's a little video about the CL Racing LED lights, and these are good up to 6S.
I really like this. It's a great way to put lights on your ship. It's easy weight. It's gonna add a little bit of time. I mean you gotta double the 12 more solder points to do, but it does look really cool. Um, and it's pretty easy to do. I got these at Race Day Quads, and they're pretty bright. A lot of the guys in the club run these, and I think it's a great way to just add some lights. Lights are great visibility, looks cool for spectators, but it's really easy to solder them in. They come with the clear shrink wrap as well, so that makes it a lot easier to do. So if you want to add some lights, it's not too bad. I'm running a 4-in-1 on this, so it was pretty easy to do. I'd say it probably added another maybe 5 to 10 minutes to the build time, really. Not too much, and then I've got a lot of extra wire. But if you like them, check them out. These are the CL Racing. I think Race Day Quads has 4 or 5 different colors. I chose purple. Go purple. So check them out there. If you like them, try them out. Maybe your next build. So they're at Race Day Quads. They were the CL Racing. Like I said, 4 different colors, and they're good up to 6S.